how to create a new Cash App account. So first of all, open up your Play Store or App Store, and from there search for Cash App and download and install the Cash App. And after you have downloaded the Cash App, launch the app, and from there you can use your email or phone number to sign up for the new Cash App account. Choose your convenient method, and after that click next, and a verification code will be sent to your email or your phone number. And after you receive your verification code, simply put the code on the box, and after that click on next. After entering the verification code, you can directly link your credit card on the Cash App, or you can just skip this step. And after that, enter your name, your real name, and after that you will be prompted to choose a hashtag, and after that enter your zip code, and you are good to go. And in this way you can create a new Cash App account. If you find this tutorial helpful, to subscribe and don't forget to leave us a like and comment. Thank you.